Hey guys, Jason from Advanblack. Today we're going to be putting on some struts on our 2023 Lowrider ST. So for the tools that we're going to be using today, we're going to use a 5/16 hex, we're going to use a 6mm hex, and a 5.5 hex. The first thing you're going to do is remove your seat by removing the screw here in the back. Alright, next you're going to remove your saddlebags. We're going to start with the left one first by removing the knobs on the inside. Make sure before you pull it off you disconnect any wires that are connected. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and remove this bolt right here that's next to the primary for the lower part of the saddlebags, and that's going to be with a 5.5mm hex. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the two top bolts on our mounting system. Be careful because they are attached to the plate that's in the back. Once you undo these bolts, that plate will fall down. If you have anything like we got this carbon fiber belt cover, we don't want it scratched, so make sure you're just aware of that. You keep your hand there so it doesn't fall. And I also like to make sure mention hold the bracket so it doesn't fall as well. A little bit more. There it goes. Now just for installation purposes, because I do have to remove the rear fender, I'm just going to go ahead and put these back in, hand tighten them. That way they don't slide and scratch the paint on the fender. Alright, when you get down to your last bolt, I already did the other sides, but when you get down to your last bolt, make sure you hold the fender. The reason why you're trying to remove the fender is because there's two bolts from the inside that also mount to the strut, so you just want to make sure that you hold your fender so it doesn't fall, scratch the paint. Sometimes you got to break that Loctite. Like that. Don't forget to disconnect any wires that you have connected. Alright, you're going to remove these two bolts. These just happen to be a Torx 45. Again, it's a good idea to leave these bolts in there until you're done with your inner bolts, and that way it doesn't scratch the paint by falling or what on the table. Like that. Alright guys, with our Advanblack struts, they are marked on the inside. This one's for the left, the other one's for the right. We're going to go ahead and do the left side. So I went ahead and put the plate back here. You're going to have to hold it with one hand, get everything aligned. And you're not cranking these down, you're just going to kind of hand tighten them, get some thread going, just so you can flip it over and get that inside bolt. forget your Loctite. Alright guys, make sure you guys put this on. You start at the bottom of the frame here. Just slide it on. Takes a little finessing. Get both sides going. Once you get it there, it should slide right in place. Yep. All right, there you have it guys, direct replacement from your stock strut. It's sleek, it's clean, it's a color match to whatever color you want. We also have our saddlebag brackets too that will mount up on top of that, no problems whatsoever. Check it out at advanblack.com.